Hey Crunchy fam, what's up? It's Kristen here, and all I have to say for today's video is brows are back. That's right, today I'm going to be showing you how to apply our brand new Nutribrow Eyebrow Pencil. Using the spoolie end of the number 10 brush, comb the brows upward and out. To fill in the brows using hair-like strokes, start at the base of the brow and move upward in the direction of your natural hair growth. For precise application, sharpen Nutribrow with a pencil sharpener before each use. Not only is Nutribrow so easy to apply because of the natural oils and waxes in the formula, but it has 16 hours of lasting performance. That is waterproof, smudge-proof, and transfer-proof. Nutribrow will be launching with 4 exclusive shades that look great on a variety of hair colors and skin tones. Nutribrow was also formulated with castor oil to encourage and promote healthier, fuller brows. Not only does Nutribrow offer superior performance, but its buildable and blendable formula makes it great for brows of all shapes and sizes. For more information on Nutribrow Eyebrow Pencil, be sure to reach out to your advocate or visit us at CRUNCHI.com.